Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English with Class channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ryan.
Hey, Ryan.
How is your day going? Today I'm joined by Sophie, and we are going to talk about meeting new friends.
Hi, everyone. So glad to be with you today. Let's jump right in.
Sophie, do you enjoy meeting new people?
Yes, I do. I think it can be exciting.
Same here, although sometimes I feel a little nervous.
That's completely normal.
Do you remember the last time you met a new friend?
Yes, I do. It was a few months ago.
Really? Tell us about it.
I joined a local book club.
That sounds interesting.
Everyone was very friendly.
Were you nervous at first?
A little bit.
What happened then?
I sat next to a woman who liked the same books as me.
That's a great start.
Yes, we started talking during a break.
And now you're friends?
Yes, we are.
That's wonderful.
What about you, Ryan?
I met one of my friends at a coffee shop.
Oh, wow.
We were both waiting for our coffee.
Then what happened?
We started talking about the weather.
Ha 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 ha.
I know, it's a simple topic.
But it works.
Exactly.
Sometimes simple conversations become meaningful friendships.
That's very true.
Do you think making friends is easy?
It depends
On what?
on the situation and the person.
Good point.
Some people are naturally outgoing.
And some people are shy.
Yes,
Which one are you?
I think I'm somewhere in the middle.
That's fair.
What about you?
I can be shy at first.
Really?
Yes.
You don't sound shy today. Maybe podcasting helps.
Maybe it does.
What do you usually say when you meet someone new?
I usually start with, "Hi, how are you?"
That's simple and friendly.
Exactly.
Then what?
I ask a question.
Such as?
What do you like to do in your free time?
That's a great question.
People often enjoy talking about their hobbies.
I agree.
What question do you like to ask?
I often ask where they are from.
That's a good one, too.
It can lead to many interesting conversations.
Definitely.
Have you ever met a friend while traveling?
Yes.
Tell me more.
I met someone on a train once.
Really?
Yes, we were sitting next to each other.
Did you start the conversation?
Actually, she did.
That's nice.
She asked me if the seat was free.
A very common question.
Yes,
Then you started chatting?
exactly.
What did you talk about?
Travel, food, and our favorite cities.
Sounds like a fun conversation.
It was.
Did you stay in touch?
Yes, we exchanged social media accounts.
That's great.
We still send messages sometimes.
It's amazing how friendships can begin.
I agree.
Let's teach a useful word.
Good idea.
Today's word is introduce.
That's a very useful word.
What does it mean?
It means to tell someone who you are.
Can you give an example?
Sure, I introduced myself to my new neighbor.
Excellent.
Many English learners can use that sentence.
Absolutely.
Here's another useful phrase.
Go ahead.
Nice to meet you.
Very common.
People use it all the time.
Can you give an example?
Hi, I'm Sophie. Nice to meet you.
Perfect.
Easy and natural.
Do you think smiling is important when meeting people?
Yes, very important.
Why?
A smile makes people feel comfortable.
That's true.
It shows kindness.
I like that.
Me too.
Have you ever had an awkward first meeting?
Oh, yes. Many times.
Tell us one story.
Once I forgot someone's name only 2 minutes after hearing it.
Oh no.
I felt terrible.
What did you do?
I politely asked again.
That's okay.
Luckily, they were very understanding.
Good.
What about you?
I once waved at someone,
Okay.
but they were waving at someone behind me. It was embarrassing.
That happens to a lot of people.
I hope so.
Trust me, it does.
Sometimes funny moments help friendships grow.
That's true.
People remember them.
And they become good stories later.
Exactly.
How about our listeners?
Good question.
Have you ever had a funny experience while meeting someone new?
Tell us in the comments below.
We'd love to hear your stories.
Making friends is an important life skill.
And it can improve your English too.
That's a great point.
Every conversation is practice.
The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Exactly.
Confidence grows over time.
One conversation at a time.
I like that.
Me too.
All right, let's continue talking about friendship in the next part.
We have many more stories and tips to share.
Thanks for listening so far.
See you in part 2.